Flat, dull footage can kill a good video. However, with color grading, you can transform this into this. Today, I'll show you how to color grade in Filmora 15 and make your footage look cinematic, even if you're a beginner. Before we begin, if you haven't already installed Wondershare Filmora, please visit the official website and download the latest version. Then, install it on your computer. Also, remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. In Filmora 15, color grading is simpler than you think. You don't need LUT packs, expensive plugins, or heavy software. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Import and identify your look. First, import your footage and place it on the timeline. Before grading, ask yourself, what look am I going for? Warm, cool, film, natural? Knowing your vibe will make grading way easier. Step 2. Use presets or LUTs. Filmora provides built-in LUTs and presets, allowing you to instantly preview different styles. Click your clip, open the color panel, and browse through the presets. These are great starting points, not final grades. You can even import LUTs of choice. Step 3. Manual color tools. Now let's refine. Scroll down to the color section for correction and adjust the essentials. Set up the tone with temperature for warmer and cooler look, then add a bit of vibrance and adjust the saturation. Now move to the light section and adjust the exposure to balance brightness, then adjust the contrast to add depth. Then adjust the highlight, play with shadow, white and black to get a perfect look. Avoid cranking any slider to the max. Subtle changes look more professional. Step 4. HSL. Target specific colors. For more control, jump into HSL. This lets you change individual colors without affecting the whole image, perfect for skies, foliage, or clothing. Adjust the specific color according to the footage. Step 5. Curves for cinematic control. Finally, curves. Add a subtle S-curve, create control points on curve, and then lift highlights, drop shadows, and your footage instantly looks more cinematic. Step 6. Compare and copy grade. Here is the before and after. If you like it, save it as a custom, then import your another footage, place it onto the timeline, and select the Save Preset from Preset section, and change your footage instantly. If required, adjust the color as needed. With Filmora 15, color grading is fast, flexible, and beginner-friendly. Now go give your footage the look it deserves. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your fellow creators and editors. For more Filmora 15 tutorials and video editing tips, subscribe to our channel and visit filmora.wondershare.com for templates, effects, and resources. See you in the next one.